Hello everyone, I welcome you all for a video lecture series on digital signal processing. In this video we'll consider the concept of computing 8-point DFT of a given sequence, wherein the sequence x of n is equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means there are 4 ones and 4 zeros. And I say it's an 8-point DFT, hence n must be 8. The task is to find its x of k. X of k is nothing but its DFT. To find x of k, I must know the twiddle factors. I must know these twiddle factor values: w8 to the power 0, w8 to the power 1, w8 to the power 2, w8 to the power 3, similarly up to w8 to the power 7. So how do I get these values? Uh, to find these values, I have made one video on how to find the values of twiddle factors for values n equal to 8. I recommend you to watch that video and come back. So once we understand how we get these values, we can proceed further and I can find its DFT. DFT of a sequence x of n is represented as x of k. For this we have formula summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n wn to the power k into n. So this is the formula to find DFT of any sequence. So once we know this, in this expression I'll put the value, that is summation n equal to 0 till n minus 1. Capital N is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7. So I'll put 0 to 7. X of n, wn, n is 8 now, w8 to the power k into n. So this is how I get. So next thing is I need to expand this summation. So how do I expand that summation? That can be done using the values. So for that I'll consider x of k is equal to, first I'll put n equal to 0. I'm going to get x of 0 w8 to the power 0. Are you getting it? Similarly, put n equal to 1. I'm going to get x of 1 w8 to the power k into 1, that is k. Are you getting it? So that is k. Plus I'll put n equal to 2. I'm going to get x of 2 w8 to the power k into n, that is k into 2. I'm going to get 2k. Plus x of 3 w8 to the power k into n. N is 3 now. I'm going to get 3k. Is that fine? Plus x of 4. But if you look here, x of 4 is going to be 0. X of 5, x of 6 and x of 7 are all going to be 0. So I need not have to write anything. I'll stop at this point of time. Are you getting it? In the next step, what I do is I'll put the values for x of 0, 1, 2, 3, which are given in the numerical, which are 1, 1, 1. So now 1 into 1, that is I'm going to get 1 here, plus x of 1 is 1. I'm going to get w8 to the power k, plus x of 2 is 1 into w8 to the power 2k, and lastly I have x of 3, which is 1 into w8 to the power 3k. So this is the final expression for x of k. In this expression I have to let vary k from 0 to 7 so that I'll get all the samples, DFT samples, that is x of k. So that will do it now. So I'll consider this expression. Now this expression is important. First what I do is I'll put k equal to 0 so that I'm going to get x of 0. So what must be x of 0 now? Put k equal to 0 in this expression. This is 1 plus w8 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is always 1, plus w8 to the power 0, 1 again, plus w8 to the power 0 again. I'm going to get 1. So ultimately I would get x of 0 as 4. Is that fine? So I got x of 0 as 4. The next task is I need to find x of 1 by placing k equal to 1. So that we will do it now. So I'm going to find x of 1. So how do I find this x of 1? Put the values over here. That is 1 plus w8 to the power 1 because k is 1, plus w8 to the power 2 into 1, that is 2, plus w8 to the power 3 into 1, that is 3. Is that okay? So this is what I get now. Now I need to put the values for twiddle factors. This is 1 plus w8 to the power 1. Go up and check. W8 to the power is 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. So I'm going to put 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Is that okay? Plus W8 to the power 2. W8 to the power 2 is minus j, and W8 to the power 3. W8 to the power 3 is minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. If I'm not wrong, I'll just go up and check. Here it is, minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Just simplify this further. So what happens? This 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 would cancel. So 1 is the constant, the real part, and later I have minus j 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. So make use of the calculator. I am ultimately going to get minus j 2.414. So this is the value for x of 1. So next what I do is I'll put k equal to 2, so that I'm going to get capital X of 2. Is that okay? So again I'll consider this expression. There I'll put k equal to 2, that is 1 plus w8 to the power 2 plus w8 to the power 2 into 2, that is 4, plus w8 to the power 3 into 2, that is 6. So this is what I'm going to get now. So in this expression I need to put the value. This is 1 w8 to the power 2, that is minus j, so put it. W8 to the power 4, that is minus 1, put it. And lastly I have a w8 to the power 6. W8 to the power 6 is plus j, so I will put the value over here. So what I'm going to get now, minus j plus j would cancel, minus 1 plus 1 will cancel. So ultimately I'm going to get 0 for x of 2. Is that okay? Similarly, proceeding further, next for k equal to 3, I'm going to get x of 3. So consider the same expression. The expression is here. Yes, that is 1 plus w8 to the power 3, because k is 3, plus w8 to the power 2k, that is 2 into 3, that is 6, plus w8 to the power 3 into 3, that is 9. So this is what I get now. Now I need to make use of the concept of uh, the twiddle factors. That is 1 plus w8 to the power 3. What is w8 to the power 3? That is minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. So at this point of time, one must know these values by heart. That is minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 over root 2. W8 to the power 6, that is j, plus W8 to the power 9. I cannot find W8 to the power 9, but for this I can make use of the concept of periodicity. So I'll write the values here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8-point sequence. Whatever that next falls after this, I'll just write it below here. That is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'll write one more time. This is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So now what I want W8 to the power 9. W8 to the power 9, here it is. W8 to the power 9 is nothing but W8 to the power 1. And W8 to the power 1, we know it is 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Are you getting it? That is 1. Just use the green color over here. Plus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. So now if you look, minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 would cancel, and just simplify it making use of the calculator. I'm going to get 1 minus j 0.414. So this is what I get for x of 3. Are you following it? Similarly, proceeding in the same way, next put k equal to 4, I'm going to get x of 4. So how I'm going to get x of 4? Make use of the equation again, that is 1 plus w8 to the power 4 Here it is W8 to the power 2k, that is 2 into 4, 8 I'm going to get. And then I have W8 to the power 3k, 3 into 4, that is 12. Are you getting it? So now put the values. This is 1. W8 to the power 4 is nothing but minus 1. Just put it. W8 to the power 8. Make use of the periodicity here. W8 to the power 8 is nothing but W8 to the power 0, which is 1. We know it. And W8 to the power 12. Make use of the periodicity, which is W8 to the power 4. And W8 to the power 4 is nothing but minus 1. Are you following it? So all these values plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 would cancel. Ultimately, I'm going to get 0 as the answer for x of 4. I hope I'm clear here. Similarly, proceeding in the same way, now put k equal to 5. If I put k equal to 5, I am going to get x of 5. So what would be x of 5? First I need to write the expression 1 plus w8 to the power k, that is 5, plus w8 to the power 2k, that is 2 into 5, that is 10, plus w8 to the power 3k, 3 into 5, that is 15. Is that okay? So now put the values. This is 1, w8 to the power 5 is nothing but 1 by root 2 minus, it's not minus, it is plus j 1 over root 2, that is w8 to the power 5. Then I have got w8 to the power 10. What must be w8 to the power 10? Make use of this. W8 to the power 2, w8 to the power 2 must be minus j, I guess. It is minus j. And lastly, I have w8 to the power 15. W8 to the power 15 is nothing but w8 to the power 7, which is equal to 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. So I'll write plus 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. Is that okay? So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 would cancel. Ultimately, I'm going to get, just make use of the calculator, and I'm going to get, this is 1 real part plus j 0.414. So this is what I ultimately get for k equal to 5, which is nothing but x of 5. Is that okay? So I'm left with two more samples. Let them find. Next I'll put k equal to 7, so that I'm going to get x of 6, which is equal to 1 plus w8 to the power k, that is 6, plus w8 to the power 2k, that is 12, plus 1 plus w8 to the power 3k, that is 3 into 6, I'm going to get 18. So now let us put the value 1 plus w8 to the power 6. Just go up and check, it is j, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is j. And w8 to the power 12, I don't have the value here. I have to make use of periodicity property. W8 to the power 12 is nothing but w8 to the power 4. W8 to the power 4 is nothing but minus 1. And lastly, w8 to the power 18. W8 to the power 18 is nothing but w8 to the power 10, which is equal to w8 to the power 2, which is nothing but minus j. Minus j. This is plus 1 minus 1 plus j, minus j would cancel. Ultimately, I'm going to get 0 as the answer for x of 6. Finally, I'll find the last sample for k equal to 7. For that, I'm going to get x of 7. So what must be x of 7 here? So I'm going to get 1 plus w8 to the power k is 7, plus w8 to the power 2k, that is 14, plus w8 to the power 3k, 3 into 7, that is 21. So this is what I get. Let me put the values. 1 plus w8 to the power 7, it is 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. Is that okay? Then I have w8 to the power 14. Here it is, w8 to the power 14 is nothing but w8 to the power 6. W8 to the power 6 is nothing but plus j. So I'll put plus j. And lastly, I have w8 to the power 21. Make use of the periodicity property. W8 to the power 21 is w8 to the power 13, which is equal to w8 to the power 5. And what must be w8 to the power 5? It is minus 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. So I will put the values here: minus 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. Anything going to get cancelled? Yes, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 would cancel, and I'm ultimately going to get 1 plus j 2.414. So ultimately I'm going to get this as x of 7. Is that okay? So with this, it is end of numerical. Before I conclude, I have to summarize everything, and I'll combine everything. I'll write the final expression for x of k. X of 0 was 4, x of 1, which is nothing but 1 minus j. No, here it is. X of 1 is 1 minus j 2.414. So I'll write it 1 minus j 2.414. Then I have got x of 2. X of 2, I guess it was 0. Just cross check it. Yes, it is 0. X of 2 is 0. X of 3. X of 3 was 1 minus j 0.414. Just check it. Yes, it is 1 minus j 0.414. 1 minus j 0.414. X of 4 was 0. X of 5. Here it is 1 plus j 0.414. 1 plus j 0.414. And lastly, x of 6. X of 6 is 0. And ultimately, I have got x of 7, which is 1 plus j 2.414. So ultimately, this is the expression for x of k. And this is how we find DFT of 8-point sequence. I hope I'm clear here. I solved this numerical step by step, explaining everything in detail. If there are still any doubts, please let me know them in the comment section, and I will definitely answer those doubts. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Eng Classes for more even interesting videos on digital signal processing. Thank you everyone for watching.